Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FLKS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious, but quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average compared to what it's normally had. Now, of course, in the past couple of days, not above average, but when you look back here. But the thing to point out is the majority of the volume did come in during the earlier portions of the day. So a lot of selling at that point. But to give credit where credit's due, the price did stabilize out. So it's not like it just went straight down the remainder of the day. The price was able to actually start to push its way forward. So we'll see if this is some sort of bottom forming here, or if this is just kind of a little temporary breath before, you know, the bears keep on pushing to the downside. So we'll see what happens with that. But the first key level to watch very closely now going forward is right here at the 65-cent mark. This was a former area of resistance, as you can see looking back here. And I bring that up because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And then you fast forward to this afternoon, and that's exactly what happened here. 65 as support, 65 as support. So that is certainly going to be that ideal level that you want to see the price stay up above. Now, in the event the price does not hold above 65 cents, the next key level of support that you'd want to immediately turn your attention to is that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. And currently that value is at 59 cents. But as of right now, kind of pointless, to focus any further on the 200 period, because so far so good. 65 cents is doing a good job of holding as support. Now on the flip side of things, let's talk about some areas of resistance. In the near term, as far as resistance levels are concerned, keep an eye on that purple line right there. That is the 50 period simple moving average, right now valued at 73 cents. So 73 going to be that key level in the near term. And as of now, I'm just going to focus on that as far as resistance levels are concerned, because in my opinion, top priority right now after all the selling that occurred is not necessarily just snapping back and breaking a bunch of resistance levels, but right now it's more so about trying to stabilize out and chip away and build a higher base. And like I said, preferably speaking, that'd be staying up above 65 cents. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.